smells like nature, right?
No, like pigs.
Some poop, huh?
Like pigs.
Like what?
Like pigs.
Like piggies. Like piggies. Do you like it so far?
Very nice.
It's cool. Cool little day trip.
I like trees and stuff.
It's better than being in New York City and going to the mall.
Yeah.
I think so. We basically took a wrong turn.
To explore the park, okay? It was only to explore the park.
Like 40 minutes extra walking, 20 to go there and 20 to come back.
Exploring time, okay?
And we still can't find the lake.
There's no sign or anything that says
Yeah.
the lake is this way. No, no, no. You have to find it on your own. There's
Yep.
no service either, so
Yep.
it's a mission, but it's fine. We get there.
Yeah, that's why we came here for, you know, to have
So
a
please stay in the train.
cool day. And we're getting a workout out, so it's fine. So we came to this little ledge. And that's our view.
Beautiful view.
Yeah, because the beach is a little crowded, so
Too much people on the beach though. Well, it's not even a beach, it's a lake, but they call it a beach for some reason.
yeah, you don't even really have anywhere to sit. So we just walked around and now we're just here and there's some people down there. And there's some people up there. It's really nice and relaxing. There's a ducky right there. Cute ducky.
Yeah? Hold on, man. Hold on. We got some viewers here. Hold on, man.
Not bad for a first try. Let's commit. Let's commit it to it.
Making some sandwiches from the back of our car.
Oh, yeah.
Got some iced tea. Got some McCormick mayo. You went hard on that mayo. So we are driving home and we came across this scenic outlook, and Anne is gonna try to fly the drone. Where is it? Oh shit. Can't even see it. Damn, we're high.
We were always in New York.
The George Washington Bridge. We're going to Coney Island. We're taking our bikes there. Should be like a half-hour bike ride.
So we are going to Coney Island in our bikes. So it's biking time.
Let's go.
Exercising this thing. We made it to Coney Island. Look how beautiful this thing is.
It took like 30-something minutes.
It took us like 30 minutes to get here. Ugh. Look at these pieces, guys. This is amazing. So much detail into that. That's impressive. Look at the details in this wall, guys. It's crazy. I want to show you, like, the painting is just amazing. Oh, that is so cool.
So after about 2 months of asking Anne if we could come to Coney Island to these cool little, what are they, like graffiti walls? I finally convinced him, and what's your thoughts on it?
Man, there's some beautiful art in this thing.
Yeah, it's really cool, right?
Beautiful. Look at that.
Ronald McDonald. Yeah. Going back home because we got around 30-minute ride, and the sun is going down. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. Let's eat.
Let's go. Well, we finally, like it's bad.
Yeah?
So we finally made it home. Oh, we can't see you. Good night.
Night.